Hi everyone, my name is Sorino. I do videos around cooking, farming, and homesteading in general. If this is your first time to this channel, welcome and join the family. So today we want to finish on just a few touches on the third coat of the outside walls, and then on the big update, we are finally going inside to start on the third coat of the inside walls. And then I don't know how far they will go with the inside, but what we are hoping is that they do the front side, like the front part of the house. That's the living room, that small hallway there, and then the kitchen. I don't know how far they'll go, but that's what we are hoping, right?
Yes. So you show them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hiyo liko sawa sasa. Kaidirisha.
Bado wanaendeleza hii biashara. Kuna kaliaje? mpaka
round tu
hizi
nani
round.
hapa tu
Mtu anaanzianga si yuko.
na huku kwa frames na sindio kaa sana. Nusa mlango maliko kama nimesikia hiyo. Dola na kuchukua wewe.
So yesterday they applied oil on these poles. We're supposed to apply them on all of them. You see, when they were doing the makuti, they didn't apply oil that and termite concoction to kill the termites on these poles on the makuti. So this oil is to prevent the termites from going inside the house or eating these holes. They'll do that all around the makuti, and also I think they'll also spray inside. I'm not sure, but that's what they were contemplating on doing. So let's go inside.
Yeah, and also for the windows, hopefully today they'll be back.
Everything is being done for the third course. Here, as you've been seeing, the grass has been and then this wall, like I showed you in a previous video, ilikuwa inalainisha. How do you say that in English?
Way better than it was.
And then also this one was thinking like it was a lot on this downside. But right now it looks like it's good. Another so they want to start with this one in the third court. Yesterday they did the producer to lainisha, and then right now they are pouring water because like we've been doing on the outside walls. Before you start applying the third coat, you have to like a little bit wet the walls. And then now this wall. I don't know if you were seeing it in the video. It was bending towards the side. I don't know what had happened to this wall really, but those guys came and then Nisha, and now you can see they've done a better job. This one, the problem was the feature, and those we'll just explain those in a different video, right?
Yes.
Yes. And then also this one, Nisha here. I don't know if they did the same to this one.
Not yet. This one was more straight, so yeah.
Oh, so this one now the bedroom wall looks good, and then this toilet. Also this one. Sometimes I like to pause and look around at how far this little house has come. So what do you guys think about the house so far? Every time I step back and see the changes, whether it's the walls, the floor, or even the tiniest detail, I feel like it's slowly changing. I would really love to hear your thoughts too. What stands out for you the most? Because for me, every single stage feels like a big milestone. And today, I actually tried something a little different. Instead of talking all through, I thought I'd let the clips breathe and flow naturally, so you can almost feel like you're right here with me, just living the process. One of you suggested I try this approach, and I was curious to see how it will feel. What do you think? Do you prefer when I explain everything step by step, or do you also enjoy these calmer moments when you just watch things unfold? Personally, I feel like it gives a more relaxed, homely vibe, like you're sitting here with me with the fundis doing their job. I have also been getting some really thoughtful questions from you guys. Someone asked me, what happens when it rains? Won't the rain spoil these smooth walls we've been working so hard on? That's such a good question. And I'm just as curious as you are. The weather can be so unpredictable, and soon enough when the rains come, I'll make sure to document it so we can all see together what effect the rain has on these walls. That's part of why I enjoy sharing this journey with you. It's not just me showing you a finished product, it's us learning along the way, step by step, challenge by challenge. And we've actually had a few light rains here and there, and so far the walls haven't shown any damage, which is encouraging. But like I mentioned, the real test will be when the heavy rains come. That's when we'll truly see how well the walls hold up. I'll be sure to document that moment so we can all witness it together. Hopefully, the work we've put in will stand strong, but let's keep our fingers crossed.
Đó là cái lỗ vô nè, cái này đưa lấy.
For those who are just joining us, you're so welcomed here. We've been building this house for quite some time now, and I actually have a full playlist that shows the journey from day one up to this point. You can always go back and catch up, see the mistakes, the lessons, and the little victories that brought us here. And of course, you can also share your thoughts about the progress. I love reading your comments, they keep me encouraged and give me new ideas. Thank you so much for watching, for listening, and for being part of this journey. Keep dreaming, keep building, and most importantly, live the life that feels true to you. Until next time, bye. We shall try again tomorrow.